Hey, what's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's an 18 F150 King Ranch Roush Supercharged 85 truck, so it's gonna be pretty cool, laying down almost 700 real horsepower. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, stay up to date. Have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down, take a look at the engine compartment. We're located in Indiana. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. But what mods are on this 18 F150 5-liter to get to almost 700 of the tires? We're gonna watch that dyno pull. But Doug, come down here, take a look. It's the Roush TVS 2650 Supercharger. They normally come with a 3-inch pulley. We dropped it to a 2.8 because we are running E85. It's about 13 pounds of boost. Get the nice Roush air induction system. We installed a set of Kooks long tube headers. We have the 4 return style fuel system, DW 95-pound injectors. We also did a couple supporting mods. So we have built oil pump gears. We have a rear cylinder cooling kit. But hey, that's about it. And if I'm talking about all this, you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. Open that description in the video. I'm gonna put links you can click on, read all about it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out the numbers, and then we're gonna take one more look at this truck, because you'd have any idea a truck like this lays down, you know, it's gonna be over 800 flywheel. We're talking rear wheel here, Dyno Jet SAE. Doug, come over, take a look. 694 real horsepower, peaking at 6,400 RPM. Torque comes in awesome, 639 at about 4,500 RPM. Killer power out of the F150 through the Roush. But look at this thing. King Ranch, you'd have no idea seeing this thing on the street. It makes that kind of power. So pretty awesome, 85 vehicle, really, really good setup. Hey, you know, again, email quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? We can ship these superchargers right to your door. Again, open that description, check the links. And hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Have a great day.